Hello and welcome to Honda Stockport. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be giving you a full video tour of this 2022 edition Honda Civic VTEC Turbo SR hatchback that is currently in our stock. As you can see, it does come in this absolutely stunning white exterior finish, and with your 1 litre petrol engine it does make it very efficient as a city runaround. And for any further information, please give us a call on 0161 825 0235. So as you can see from the front of the vehicle, you do have your full LED detailing and headlights, very stylish, alongside your front parking sensors. These go hand in hand, keeping the vehicle in top condition. They do sit on these 17-inch alloys, followed by your electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors with your LED indicators incorporated. Behind your rear privacy glass, you will find a full cloth interior finish with a handy armrest. This can also be upgraded to your leather interior as well. As it is a 2022 edition, it has covered only delivery mileage, so practically brand new. Round to your rear, you do have your parking sensors and parking camera, which I will demonstrate further on in the video. Inside your boot area, you do have an adjustable parcel shelf with plenty of space inside for all your day-to-day needs. As we take a close look inside the front interior, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel. Alongside your central touch display screen, you do have all your below controls for your climate. Just opposite, you do have a handy armrest with below storage, and of course your 2 front seats are full cloth again. So that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this vehicle. So if you take a seat in the front now, I will show you all the top key technology features. If we start first of all just to your right hand side, you will find your control panel for all 4 windows, your central lock-in and your outer wing mirror adjustments. As it is an advanced model, it does come with an intelligent speed limiter and adaptive cruise control option just to your right there. This will anticipate traffic around you and keep you safe on any journey. Of course, you do have all your audio controls just to your left, which does include your voice recognition, and you do have your controls on there to navigate around your digital cockpit screen. So as you can see, you can display all your vital car information on here, including your mileage, your fuel consumption, or even what music you're listening to. Moving across into the centre, you do have your touchscreen display with your built-in satellite navigation. So as you can see on here, it does come with your Econ route if you are feeling a bit more efficient, along with all your points of interest, so perfect in those unfamiliar areas. You do have your Bluetooth connection, and this is compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it will give you access to all your vital car apps. Of course, you do have all your audio options on here, including plenty of radio stations to choose from, or if you wish, you can connect another device via Bluetooth or the USB ports just below. You can download even further apps using your Honda App Centre if you flick across as well. This vehicle does come with your rear parking camera, so if you pop the car into reverse, this will activate an on-screen display of 3 different rear view options, so perfect getting in those tighter spaces. Moving just below, if you do select your climate button, this will bring up an on-screen display of your dual climate, so you can have a different temperature on either side of the vehicle. It does also include your front and rear heated windscreen options below as well, so perfect in the winter months. You do have several power outlets located just below there. Along with your automatic gear controls, you do also have your option to drive an Econ, along with an electronic parking brake, a cup holder and plenty of storage just below your armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 0161 825 0235. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below to keep up to date.